Good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, good night. Nice to meet you, nice to meet you too. Goodbye, goodbye, see you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, good night. Nice to meet you, nice to meet you too. Goodbye, goodbye, see you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, good night. Nice to meet you, nice to meet you too. Goodbye, goodbye, see you. See you later.
See you later. Yeah.
Very closely at everything around you, up in the sky, down in the sea, and then look very closely at everything around you. All of this is nature. It's the aurora lighting up the sky. It's a penguin playing on the ice. It is an ostrich burying its head on the ground. All of this is nature. Look very closely at everything around you, up in the sky, down in the sea and land. Look very closely at everything around you. All of this is nature. It's a bee visiting the flowers. It's the rainbow with all of its colors. They're the beautiful and pink cherry trees. All of this is nature. It's a koala napping all day long. It's a waterfall that's falling strong. It is a hummingbird flying delicately. All of this is nature.
So, did you see, babies? We saw the nature. We saw the birds. Yes, the birds. We saw, what else we saw, Bart? The butterflies. Yes, the butterflies. Look at the butterflies. Yes. What else? We have the sun. Look at the sun in the sky. The sun. The stars. The stars in the sky too. Yes, the stars. What else we have? The animals. Yes, we have the animals. They are part of nature. Yes, Bart. Very good. So the bees. What are the bees? They are nature, the river, the mountains. Yes, Bart. Yes, very good. So let's sing another song about nature. Yes, very good. Let's go. The mountains.
I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers.
Flowers.
I love the daffodils. I love the fireside when the lights are low. Boom diada, boom diada, boom diada, boom diada. I love the mountains.
Love the mountains.
I love the rolling hills.
Rolling
I love
hills?
the flowers.
Flowers.
I love the daffodils. I love the fireside when the lights are low. Boom diada, 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 boom diada. I love the
Mountains.
I love the rolling hills.
Rolling hills.
I love the flowers.
Flowers.
I love the daffodils. I love the fireside.
the mountains. I love the flowers. I love the sun.
I love the mountains.
I love the rolling hills.
I love the flowers.
I love the daffodils.
I love the fireside when the lights are low. Boom diada, 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 boom diada.
Yes, babies, that's all for today. Did you like nature? Yes, I love the mountains. I love the river. I love the birds. I love the sun. I love the animals. I love nature. But now it's time to say bye-bye. Let's say goodbye to teacher. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, bye, bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Pum, 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 pum. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Pum, 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 pum. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye, baby. See you tomorrow.